of driving a car backwards. It can be challenging for drivers as it is more difficult to see the back of the car. The objective of this video is to teach you the steps to reverse the car. This video will demonstrate the steps to reverse the car straight and to the left and right. Before reversing, check your surroundings and the rear view mirror to ensure that it is safe to reverse. Also, turn your head to look through the rear windscreen. Next, depress the clutch and the foot brake fully. Shift the gear lever to the reverse gear. After this, release the clutch till the car is at the biting point. Release the handbrake and the foot brake fully to enable the car to reverse slowly. The steering wheel should be maintained at the straight position. Check your surroundings and the rear as you reverse. Control the speed by applying or releasing the clutch. To stop the car, depress the clutch fully and apply the foot brake. To reverse the car to the left or right, repeat the above steps. However, instead of maintaining the steering wheel at the straight position, you should turn the steering wheel in the direction you wish to reverse to. To reverse to the left, turn the steering wheel to the left. As you do so, the front of the car will swing outwards. To reverse to the right, turn the steering wheel to the right. As you do so, the front of the car will swing outwards. As such, always check your surroundings to ensure safety before and while reversing. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. Which of the below statements about reversing is wrong? A. Reversing the car is more difficult than driving it forward. B. It is not necessary to look through the rear windscreen as you reverse. C. To stop the car, you should step on the clutch fully before stepping on the foot brake. B. It is not necessary to look through the rear windscreen as you reverse. 2. How should you control the foot pedals to move the car backwards? A. Step on the accelerator. B. Step on the clutch fully. C. Release the clutch till it is at the half clutch position. C. Release the clutch till it is at the half clutch position. 3. The below states the initial steps to reverse the car in a straight line. Which of the below is the correct sequence? A. Depress the clutch. Check your surroundings. Engage reverse gear. B. Check your surroundings. Engage reverse gear. Depress the clutch. C. Check your surroundings. Depress the clutch. Engage reverse gear. C. Check your surroundings. Depress the clutch. Engage reverse gear. 4. You want to reverse your car to the right. In which direction should you turn the steering wheel? A. Left. B. Right. C. Left first, then right. B. Right. 5. You are reversing the car to the right. Which of the below statements is correct? A. The front of the car will swing to the left. B. The front of the car will swing to the right. C. The rear of the car will swing to the left. A. The front of the car will swing to the left.